It has been a long time, it haven't it? Well, as you see, when you're gonna take the I mean, you guys take care of them. No more robot dies on the factory. My factory is gonna destroy, like in 26 Day. Oh God, my robot voice. Wow, my factory's gonna broke out any day, so if you can survive it in the night, I'll give you a reward. So, yeah,